The little kitchenette down here, still the room back in here.
Yep.
Roughly, whatever it is.
We'll make it a bedroom.
That makes it.
So, yes.
What are your thoughts?
Kitchen needs a little.
Tiny. I'd go with the small lot right here. I mean, it depends on what you're gonna do. If it's a rental, I don't know how to do it.
Yes.
Take this small out and run this kitchen all the way out. Then make this whole area, you know, like a
And the
little
dining.
kitchen
Yeah,
dining and a little bit of family room.
Yep. Yeah.
So,
Otherwise, the yard is a little, you know, small, but it's manageable.
but we're right on the edge of Lyon Village, so I don't know about walkability is down to the,
Courthouse.
oh, still a little bit of a hike
Yes.
up that way, but then you've got the shopping center down there with the Italian squares.
Yes. They definitely need a bike or something to get around.
The electric thing.
Electric bike.
So you want to have a little damn hills.
Yes, yes. It's some, yeah, well, Virginia Square is not too far.
It's not Virginia Square, but it's uphill from here.
It is uphill. It is.
I mean, to me, I want an electric bike.
Yes, it's an uphill for sure.
Just did a renovation where we moved when the zone 7 to balance them out.
Mhm.
Wonder, 1960s, early 60s, late 50s house.
Mhm.
Not bad.
Yes, not bad.